See the example of a left factoring. Okay, if you are having the grammar like this, A tends to alpha beta 1 or alpha beta 2 or alpha beta 3. Now how I removed? This is what? Non-deterministic grammar. Okay, we need to convert it into an deterministic grammar by removing what? Common prefix. Okay, so now how I did? A tends to alpha A dash, where A dash is it tends to what? Beta 1 or beta 2 or a beta 3. Okay, so now it is non-deterministic grammar only when we are having same common letters. Okay, of the common letters, the common prefix will be there for a same variable. If I am considered like this, A tends to alpha beta 1, B tends to alpha beta 2. Here also we are having alpha, here also we are having alpha, but is this we are having common variable? No. Why? We are having two variables like A and B. So this grammar is not a non-deterministic grammar. Try to understand. It should be the common prefix will be same for what? A single variable. If you are having different variable, it is not a non-deterministic grammar. Okay, so now the same example if I consider here, ITIETS, that is nothing but if expression then statement, if expression then statement, else statement. Okay, or one more is what? A here, A letter. So in this case, this if expression then statement is same prefix. Here also we are having if expression then statement. One more here, it is having same for both the cases. Only we are left with what? Yes over here, and we are having A. So here we are having common prefix for single variable. The common prefix for the same prefix for what? Single variable. So that time, and one more variable we are having, it tends to be. Okay, that we're going to consider where expression is nothing but what? Boolean expressions. So now how I need to convert this non-deterministic grammar into an deterministic grammar? Actually it is non-deterministic. The common prefix will be there for single variable, that is nothing but more options will be there for given transition. So that time how I will do? Yes tends to if expression then statement S dash. Okay, so S dash is nothing but what here? We don't have anything for here, but we are having the next case, we are having ES as a S dash, and I will let the A will be relate to what? S only. So I will write A here itself. Okay, so where S dash can be written as what? For this anything is there? No, I will write it as what? Epsilon. Or here one more is what? ES. Okay, and then expression will be what here? B. This is we converted non-deterministic to deterministic grammar. Okay, by considering one more example here, I'm having what? Same option. Okay, and the same common prefix for all the cases here. A. If you want, consider AS, or you can go with what? First we'll go with the prefix, common prefix. I'll consider what as well? A. Then for the next case, I'll consider it as what? One more letter with S. First I will consider what? Prefix, only the prefix with what? A. That time what happens here? S tends to A, S dash, or the letter will be what here? B. Okay, where S dash, what happens here? S dash will be, okay, what are the things are remained here? S, B, S, or one more is what? That is S, A, S, B. Okay, now if I are having with what? Common letter here, we are having the common letter, and one more is what? One more is what here? B. By considering this, again we are having the common letter. Okay, the common prefix for this particular variable S dash. So now how it will be again? S dash can be derived as S dash tends to S double dash, or See, this is related to what? S dash only, right? The BP is related to what? I will write BP as it is. So now, where S dash is given with what? The next is what? S, B, S or A, S, B. Can write like this. Either we may consider AS directly or just one letter we need to consider, and we go on removing the common prefix over there. So this is the one more example.